Hey everybody, I think I've got a dead hive. Let's go find out. Okay, we're gonna start by just cracking the hive open and seeing what we see. The reason why I'm suspicious that the hive is dead is because it was 40 degrees yesterday and I did not see them flying, and I saw the other hives flying. So we're just gonna go explore. Like maybe they're in a small, they're huddled up in a small group. Like I don't know. If that's the case, then I'm going to have to go get my bee suit and we'll close it back up. All right, in we go. Oh, I do hear bees in there. So I wonder if the group is just small. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. See if I can do this with one hand. Might not be able to. There's one dead bee. Another. Uh-oh. There they are. All right. We know the cluster is there, so I don't need to spend any more time in here. Let's get it closed back up. All right, everybody. They are alive. Let's get them covered up. Hopefully I didn't do any damage by opening it up. We'll get the ladies closed up. I'm glad they're alive. Let's see if we can make it another couple months and survive the winter. One thought that I had is that maybe they weren't flying because the entrance is blocked. So let's see if we can pull any dead bees out of there. A few dead bees. Oh, well, maybe they just didn't want to come out. Not a ton of dead bees. More dead bees on this side.